I can finally have it now. I know what to draw.
Gaga. Gaga. Gaga.
Yeah.
Gaga. It's a Gaga. Call me Gaga. Gaga.
Oh my god. Everybody,
what
go
the
up
hell?
to Damon Curly's place. If y'all know where it is.
Oh yeah. A yachter man. Did someone say yachter man? I said yachter man. Oh my god. It's the yachter man. Got a yachter man. You know how to get free bananas? It's yachter man. Yaddy yatter.
Free bananas.
It's a yachter man.
Hello, Jackie. Hey, you. Red. How did you turn so small?
Where are you?
Name Candy. Make your name Candy.
Red.
Green, come. Green. Green, come on.
Yeah, what?
Green.
What?
Help me!
Press cards.
No, it won't let me into a lobby. It won't let me into a lobby.
Mom.
No, I can. Okay.
Why?
My freaking gosh. It won't load me into a fucking lobby. Does he know? Oh. Frico, no. Oh. Oh, okay. Sticking out your yacht. Sticking out your yacht. Oh, J button to go first person. Come back up. We need backup, guys. We need backup. Drive forward, forward. No, frick no. Oh no, please catch me. Oh no. This is creepy. This is creepy, Chingyo. Sticking out again. Okay, I'll try to do this the easier way. My yacht. Okay, we're in. Oh, this is gonna be a hard drift place. Oh! Help this focus, I don't care. Okay, I gotta do this jump in first person. Oh my god! Can't even do that. Okay, we're back in first person. Sup, boys, sup. fuck? Just walk forward, okay. Just go forward. Nobody cares. I mean, it seems hard if you drive in real life. Except for a freaking first person, yeah. Don't drive too fast! Don't drive too fast! Oh. Mom? Just keep driving. Mom, I missed it. Mom, this is my first lesson. Are you okay in the back? This is my first lesson. Okay? So, be prepared. Oh no, there's a hill coming up. How am I gonna do this shit? Go full speed. Okay, I'll go full speed. I'm gonna... God! Not that much speed. Okay, well, why is it road like this? I don't know, but I'm just going. Are you okay, Mom? Yeah, I'm okay. The car's got broken, I think. No, it's not. Start it up then. Okay, I'm starting it up. Mom, you okay? There's a weird ramp. Huh? You okay? You okay, Mom? Mom, if you're in the back, I think you are. Yeah, you are. Okay, let's go. Boink, yeah. What? Son, what did you do? Okay, Mom, are you ready? I'm not. Okay, Mom, are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Drift. Lucy. Bro, you don't crash on this freaking car. It's a freaking Mercedes. Okay, let's go. And full speed ahead. Okay, Mom, if we crash this, it's not my fault. Look at the freaking roads. I mean, look at the freaking roads. My gosh, that's actually bad. What is this road? What is this road actually? My God! Oh my God! How do we do it, Mom? Oh. Okay, Mom, if you're in the back, let's go. Yeah, I'm in the back. Okay, let's go. It's a poor driving test. We're pretty poor, so we need to not fail this. Okay. Need to be nice and steady, slow and steady. Okay, this part's gonna be a little harder. Well, not that hard. Why are the roads like this, Mom? I don't know. The last time fixed it. Okay, I guess so. Oh, I feel so dizzy. I feel so freaking dizzy. Okay, what is this rope, Mom? Mom! Mom, you gonna tell me about this shit? Come on. Mom, we're falling. Okay, son, don't be bad now. Just drive into the back to main game. Okay. I drive in. Now what? Should you try to bop. Okay. This. Dang it. What? Why am I in the metaverse? I'm in the universe. What? Mom! Where are you? Mom! I'm here. What are we doing here, son? I didn't know this was gonna happen. Wait, we're back in. We're back in real life. Let's go. Wait, what is it? Oh, we're in.
Look what I have. Well, we need more people. I'll go back. Look what I have. More people. Does anyone want to race down in caves?
You know what, bro? You're gonna give me your money.
What? Oh. Okay. Follow me.
Give me.
Huh? Bomb. Hey, Green, you wanna race down in the caves? Does anyone wanna race?
How do you get the gun? How do you get the gun?
I don't know what you got.
What's in the
Which
bag?
gun? How'd you get the gun? How do you
Oh,
say it?
what gun?
The gun you had in your hand. Say it.
Hey, yo!
Say it. Say it. I said
Everybody go in the elevator and press down.
Hi, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna go, guys. If you enjoyed, comment on below. Peace.